Right, we got this 2003 Ford F150, installed an N.C.N.S on it. Gonna go ahead and demonstrate and show the product right here. Look at that clean install. Go ahead and try to start the vehicle. Here's the key. N.C.N.S is beeping. Car won't start, and also the theft light is blinking. What we got to do is put in the code. This code is going to be changed when customer comes and picks up the vehicle. It doesn't matter that you guys are seeing it right now. Theft light is gone. Car starts. It will auto arm in about 30 seconds, but if you want to arm it right away, you can just press and hold the star. Now the car won't start again. Won't start. Only way to do it is to put in the code. And now the car will start. Alright, thanks for watching.